Innovative smart solutions for the drivetrain. Ringspann is implementing ready-to-install combination solutions consisting of shaft couplings and overload clutches. A current example of this are ready-to-install packages consisting of shaft couplings and overload protection, which simplify the work of designers and significantly reduce assembly work. In this specific case, we combine the REB DCO pin couplings with our RSHD torque limiters. This resulted in an innovative package solution for the drivetrain of a screening drum in a new plant for bulk material processing. While the pin and bush coupling compensates for the misalignment between the shafts of the drivetrain and dampens operational shocks and vibrations, the friction torque limiter serves as overload protection when blocking the screen drum. With regards to the interaction of the technical parameters of its two components, the unit is precisely tailored to its application in the drive system of the screen drum. The pin and bush coupling is designed for a maximum speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute and has nominal torques ranging between 1,240 Nm and 3,150 Nm. The friction torque limiter is defined for speeds of up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, and its slipping torque is adjustable from 1,200 Nm to 6,000 Nm. Thank you for watching this brief presentation of the combined clutch and coupling solution from us at Ringspann. Do not hesitate to contact us if you want to know more.